Good morning, students. So, in our previous class, we have discussed about average velocity, right? Now, we are going to discuss about resultant velocity. Resultant velocity. Students, when two vectors are acting on a same point, then for finding the resultant vector, we need to use a formula called r square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, or else r equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. That means, for example, see, it is a point P. At this point, two vectors are acting on it. One is a bar, another one is b bar. Angle between these two vectors theta. Now, for finding the resultant of these two vectors, is r bar. R bar is equal, r square equal to formula r bar equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Here a means magnitude of the vector a, b means magnitude of the second vector, theta means angle between these two vectors. Got it? Formula r equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Generally, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಮೈ ಫೀಲ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ, ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. Before deriving that formula, we need to know few important points about vectors. Just observe here, students. Actually, for example, I am having 3 kgs rice. My brother having 4 kgs rice. Then tell me what is the total? Simple. We are going to say how many kgs rice we both are having? 7 kg. Right? You added. Very easy. Because here kg means mass. That is a scalar quantity. So directly we are able to get the answer. By adding scalar quantities is very easy. 3 kg rice and 4 kg rice. Total 7 kg rice. You got the answer. But the same thing is not applicable in case of vectors. Not at all possible, because observe here very carefully. For vector, it must have both magnitude and also direction. Got it? For example, a person starts moving towards north. 3 meters north. Here 3 meters is magnitude and north means direction, like this. Length of this gives magnitude. Head, this arrow mark gives direction. So 3 meters north. And from there 4 meters east. 4 meters east. 4 meters east. So here it is a vector and it is another vector. So 3 meters north and 4 meters east. I want resultant. Then for finding the resultant, see, tail of the first and head of the last. It is resultant vector. What is the answer here? 5 meter. Because it is like a right angle triangle. So this side 3, this side 4. Automatically hypotenuse root of 3 square. Generally root of 3 square plus 4 square means root of 9 plus 16. What is the answer? Root 25. Root 25 means 5 meters. So in this case 3 plus 4. What you got? What you got? 5. Got it? 3 plus 4. What is the answer you got according to this? 5. For example, a person starts moving towards north, 3 meters north, right? And again moved in towards south. From there he moved towards south 4 meters. Then what is the answer? What is the resultant here? The resultant is starting point and ending point. What is the answer here? How much it is? Only 1 meter. 3 meters north, 4 meters south. What is the resultant of these two? How much here? 1 meter. That means here you got 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. Here you got 3 plus 4 is equal to 5. Or else, for example, a person starts moving towards north, 3 meters north, and continued again 4 meters north. Then the resultant, I want resultant. The resultant is equal to here 7 meter north. 7 meter north. So observe here. 3 plus 4, what answer you got here? 5. 3 plus 4, what answer you got here? 1. 3 plus 4, what you got here? 7. 3 plus 4, what you got here? 7. So observe here. You are not getting the same answer because addition of vectors is not like a scalar. For adding vectors, we must follow some rules. Understood? And we need to follow this equation, root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. By following this only, you can get the resultant in case of adding the vectors. If you want to check it, no problem. See, in this case, simple. Where is this one? So observe here, in this case, one vector 3 meter, another vector 4 meter. I want resultant. What I am telling you need to find out the resultant by using this formula, right? So observe here, r equal to root of a. Take it as a and take it this one as b. So a equal to 3, b equal to 4. So 3 square plus 4 square. Okay? Plus 2 into 3 into 4 into, what is the angle between these two here? 90 degrees. So cos 90. What is the cos 90 value? 0. 0 into this one. So here this one totally becomes 0. What is the remaining? 3 square means 9. 4 square means 16. That is equal to root 25, which is equal to 5. So you got the same answer or not here? Observe here in this case, r equal to resultant root of a equal to 3 and b equal to 4, right? So 3 square plus 4 square plus 2, ab means 3 into 4 into cos. What is the angle? One north, another one south, means both are opposite. Both are opposite means what is the angle? 180 degrees. So cos 180. Understood the point? Cos 180. Okay. Substitute the values. Then here you are going to get 1. Because cos 180 value minus 1. Right? So observe here. 3 square means 9. plus 4 square means 16. Okay, plus 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4 24. 24 cos 180 value minus 1. So observe here, 9 plus 16 25, plus into minus minus 24. 25 minus 24 root 1. Root 1 value 1. So what answer we got here? 1. So you got the answer by using which formula? R equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Understood? Or else one more example previously. For example, these two vectors are along the same direction. Observe here, 3 meters north. Again 4 meter north. You want resultant. Then R equal to, what is the formula? A square. A equal to 3, B equal to 4. So 3 square plus 4 square plus 2 into 3 into 4, 2ab. What is the value here? Cos 0 degree. Because both are along same direction, parallel. So theta equal to 0. What is the value of cos 0? 1. So what answer we are getting? 3 square means 9. Plus 4 square means 16. Plus 2 into 3, 6 into 4, 24. Cos 0, 1. 1 into 24, 24. So 25 plus 24, which is equal to root 49. Root 49 means 7 square is equal to 7. So while adding the vectors for finding the resultant magnitude, got it? For finding the resultant magnitude, you need to substitute the formula r square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta, or r equal to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Resultant's magnitude. For finding direction, one more formula is there. Sure, that also I am going to explain right now. Got it? Now the question is, how we derived this equation, right? So please observe carefully. Listen here, students. So for adding vectors, need to follow law. The law is called parallelogram law, or another one, triangle law. We need to follow these laws while adding vectors for finding magnitude and direction of the resultant vector. That's it. Got it? So for finding magnitude of the resultant vector, formula r equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. And also for finding its direction, tan alpha is equal to b sin theta by a plus b cos theta. For finding magnitude of the resultant vector and the direction of the resultant vector. How we got these equations? Observe here. Depending on